Today it's Saturday, November 25th, 2023. Golf, DLB engine. I have bring a couple of parts here inside. Some of them, most of them is being washed. Some of them, it's not being washed, okay? Like the cylinder head, I just wrap it and I put it here. Some of the stuff, some of the parts are clean. This is not being cleaned, by the way. I need to remove the sealant and the cylinder head and the timing cover there. It's being washed, but it's not, I haven't removed the sealant, so I have to do it again. No worries, priority for now is to send the block at the machine shop for boring and honing. And that's the block here. The block is ready, the sticker didn't, oh no, it's not ready, I have to remove the seal. That's what I forget to do. I forget to remove also the seal from here. Yay, 23,000 kilometers, you see that's wet here? Okay, here it's oil, but you can see the sand. Whenever you have a chance, you put a new one. Alright, what I have done, I have removed the sealant, front, down, the gasket, the remaining piece from the gasket from the surface here, and when it comes back from the machine shop, I will gonna wash it for final. Measure it first and then washing it. Classic. So we're fine from the block. Is remaining any other part here outside? No. Alright. It's a mess down here, but this is a dirty area. And that's it. I don't have anything else to say. I'm waiting piece connecting rods, bearings. I have, by the way, I have the crank main bearings here. You can tell me 23,000 kilometers and you can change the crank main bearings. I have it in order. I can use the old one, but if you pay attention, if it was for daily, you can use it again, but it's not gonna be daily. It's gonna be a tuned application, and I'm gonna like to put a new one. All right. It's okay. It's usable. I'm just saying, for a peace of mind, to put a new one. For the connect rods, I have to put a new one since I'm not gonna use the original connecting rods. And I'm gonna put an aftermarket. I cannot run the old connecting bearings, and I don't want to run the old connecting bearings. The thrust washers, I can use it. It's perfect. It's perfect fine. There's no problem whatsoever. The crankshaft is fine. It doesn't have any problem. All right. So waiting for parts, waiting for the block to come back. I would like to send the block at the machine shop, like I said. Now I have to go to remove the seal, don't forget it. And I have to lap also the valves on these 4-cylinder heads to send them also for one light resurface. This will gonna happen on Monday. It's not gonna happen this today. I need to open also the exhaust valves from this cylinder head. I wanna see the condition. Do not think about the mileage. Think about the temperatures that they raise inside of the combustion chamber, inside the cylinder, and it burned the piston ring and it broke the piston from the temperatures. So it's not about the mileage, it's not about how many kilometers has the engine, it's about how much it gets burned. Fortunately, I don't see any visible crack on the cylinder head. That's a good one. Just for a peace of mind, it's gonna be nice to remove the exhaust valves to have a look on it. Also the intake at the same time. Like I said, for a peace of mind. Yeah, I feel much better if I remove the valve springs and the valves completely, because I'm gonna be 100% sure that I'm not gonna stack something, any dirt, any piece of sealant on the springs or anywhere down there. If it's everything fine, just cleaning it, putting it together, and everybody happy. That's it, small update. Thank you very much, have a nice weekend, over and out.